Hello viewers, welcome back to the third lecture I am giving now. There is closed class parts of speech. In the previous class, you have learned pronoun and prepositions. Now, conjunctions. Basically, conjunctions are of two kinds. One is coordinating conjunctions and another one is subordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions are coordinators and but or not so for therefore hence still yet nevertheless else either or neither nor not only but also both and also as well as now stir because before it there may be anything else. Well, to is also used as coordinating conjunction, no less than, otherwise, however. Whereas, before whereas there will be semicolon. Only, before only there will be semicolon. Then, so then it is. Whereas, sometimes instead of whereas you can use while. When two statements are joined together. Next, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are given in number, like the coordinating conjunctions. Who, which, that, whom, whose, when, while, how, what, why, where, after, before, as, since, because, till, until, if, whether, though, although, as if, even if, provided, hardly, when, scarcely, when, no sooner, than, in order that, so, that, that. It is very interesting. The more you learn, the more you read, the more you can learn. In this sentence, what is the conjunction? It is the correlative conjunction, the, did. That is, if you read more, you can learn more, it means. But sometimes, formally used, the more you read, the more you can learn here. These are the conjunctions which are given in grammar and these are listed as it is here. I have given. Just the viewers, you are requested to learn all those words which are used as the conjunctions. Now the question of interjections. This is the last topic of the closed class parts of speech. Interjections. There are some words, certain words listed which are used as interjection for expressing certain feeling. Hooray. We use hooray for expressing our joy. Oh, alas, alack, etc. for expressing grief. Bravo, approval. Hey, oh, it a weariness. Oh, hell. This is to call someone else. Him or hum. Doubt. Ha or ha. Ha. That is amusement. Someone wrote something else funny, then you can say ha. Or lu, hush, attention. That is, to draw attention, you can use push or lu. Fee, that is reproof. In this way, 4 kinds of parts of speech which are called closed class parts of speech you can learn, because these are the words which can only be used as it is given by me here. You have to learn it. Then you can learn all the closed class parts of speech. Now, I want to say something else, that is, I'm rubbing this. The same thing, a conjunction. Suppose who is a conjunction? Who can be used in 2 ways. What? Relative relative pronoun and mere conjunction. Mere conjunction means where two clauses or two simple sentences are joined together. There you can say mere conjunction. That is, if you write, I know the boy who works in Canada. I know the boy who works in Canada. If you split this sentence into two, then one comes, I know the boy. Next one, who. Who means what? The boy. The boy works in Canada. Here you can see that who works in Canada, this is the information or description given about the boy. Understand? And these two simple sentences, when who is cut, then the boy works in Canada. These two simple sentences are joined together by the help of this conjunction. So it is a conjunction, right? At the same time, it joins, again it supplies some information about the noun that is placed before. That's why it is called relative. Relative. As it is listed pronoun, relative pronoun, you can say this is a relative pronoun. Relatives are of two types, relative pronoun and relative adverb. So here it is pronoun. And the noun which is described after, it is called antecedent. A-N-T-E-C-E-D-E-N-T. Antecedent. Antecedent means the noun that goes before the relative. Right? Now, who is the relative and the boy is the antecedent. If you write in the same sentence can be written in another way. That is, if you write, I know who works in Canada. Here in the sentence, two simple sentences. I know. It is a complete simple sentence. Next, who means what? The boy. Or someone. Who, that is, who works in Canada? Who works in Canada? Here, who doesn't show any noun that is placed before it. The whole thing is used as the object to the verb no. You cannot split this sentence into two simple sentences. If you make it simple, then who comes here? Who works in Canada? It is another form of sentence, and before who there is no antecedent. No antecedent. No antecedent. No antecedent because there is no noun whose description is given after. That's why this conjunction here, who, is a mere conjunction because it doesn't supply any information about the noun that goes before. There is no noun, such noun. There is no antecedent. When there is no antecedent before who or this kind of relative pronouns, that is which are listed relative pronouns, it won't be called as relative pronoun, non-relative or something else. It is a mere conjunction. It is a conjunction. Then you can easily differentiate between conjunction and relative. When any conjunction comes here to relate, that is to supply some information about the noun that goes before, this must be termed as relative. Whether it is a relative pronoun or it is a relative adverb. I will show this in the next classes. No more today. Hope you are enjoying and you are happy radiantly here after getting this lecture. Thanks a lot.